Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Hbar to Trezor. First, it's important to understand that Trezor hardware wallets do not directly support Hbar. You'll need to use a compatible third-party wallet, such as my Hbar wallet or Hashpack, to facilitate this transfer. Before you begin, make sure your Trezor device has the latest firmware installed and is securely connected to your computer via a USB cable. This ensures optimal security and functionality throughout the process. Next, you'll need to select a compatible third-party wallet. My Hbar wallet and Hashpack are two excellent and widely used options for managing Hbar. These wallets are designed to integrate seamlessly with your Trezor, allowing your hardware wallet to sign transactions securely. Once you've chosen a wallet, proceed to create a new account or import an existing one, always ensuring you are on the official website to avoid phishing scams. Now, let's connect your Trezor and initiate the transfer. Within your chosen third-party wallet, you will find an option to connect your Trezor device. Once connected, your Trezor will serve as the secure signing mechanism for all transactions. Locate your unique Hbar receiving address within the wallet interface. Then, from your current Hbar holding, send the desired amount to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Finally, it's crucial to verify your transfer and maintain best security practices. After sending, confirm the Hbar has arrived by checking the transaction on a Hedera Explorer. Remember, your Trezor recovery seed phrase is paramount. Keep it safe and offline, ideally in two separate physical locations. Never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or seed phrase. For significant transfers, consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.